Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of lip care with a product that's been making waves in the beauty community. Introducing the I Do Care Lip Scrub, Cushy Crush. This isn't just any lip scrub. It's hailed as the best lip scrub for dark lips at home available in the market. Let's find out why. First off, let's talk ingredients. This lip scrub is packed with goodies like sugar crystals, papaya enzymes, shea butter, and coconut oil. Not only does it gently exfoliate your lips, but it also nourishes and repairs, leaving you with soft, smooth lips. But what sets this lip scrub apart? Well, it's infused with vitamin C, known for its skin brightening properties. So not only does it buff away dead skin, but it also helps enhance your lips' natural radiance. In conclusion, if you're looking for a lip scrub that's gentle yet effective, look no further than the I Do Care Lip Scrub, Cushy Crush. With its nourishing formula and skin brightening benefits, it's sure to become a staple in your skincare routine. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more honest product reviews. Until next time, happy scrubbing!